Hi there, my name is Nicholas from Orlando, Mini, and the handsome man behind the camera is
Alden.
Today is our first video in our Ask Us series, which is basically the most common questions that customers ask us on the MINI product. And when it comes to the 2019 convertible, the most common question is, will my stuff fit? So typically what we get is customers saying, hey, I go to the beach, is this all I'm going to be able to bring with me? What do you think, Alden?
I say no.
You say no? How much more can we get?
I think we can get a Santa bag of koozies, a charcoal bag, a sweet nut dispenser, and a grill.
Ooh, that sounds delicious. So, I think you might be right. Challenge accepted. But the first thing is I'm going to show you how you can get all this good stuff in there. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get this stuff out of the way. I'm just going to put it out there. So when you're opening up the back, this is kind of a small opening right now. But if you notice, you got this thing called Easy Load. You take this, you lift it up, you lift this side up, this whole piece lifts up, and then you just put this piece down. Now you have this shelf system here, so you can put stuff inside. But if you need to, you can take this, give it a little tug, put it in a position to give you more space going this way. And as you can see, with the seats folded down, you can put even more. Now, you mentioned Santa bag full of koozies, whatever. So we'll take this Santa bag full of Fields Auto koozies. We'll put that in here. Put it this way. Next, what'd you say?
A cooler.
A cooler. Oh, this little tiny thing? I'm gonna put this thing right here. What else?
Nut dispenser.
Woo, we need a nut dispenser. Everyone needs one of these. Let's take that, put it over to the side, right there. Now you mentioned something about a
grill.
A grill. We got a grill, right? Woo, we got a grill.
Oh my
But if
goodness.
we're gonna grill, what we need?
We need charcoal.
Woo, we need charcoal. Put that right there. Hey, black clean. Alright, so I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna put this in. I should have bet you. You should have bet me. I'm gonna turn this around. I'm gonna put this maybe inside of here like that. I think I can get it. And then, once everything is in, oh, I can't forget my ice cold refreshing Fields bottled water. Then I take this, lift up, put it down, it's inside, lock it, bam, winner, winner, chicken dinner. Woo. Now, of course, when the shelf is in the up position, you can't put the top completely down. But one of the greatest things about the Cooper convertible, and probably one of the reasons why it's so popular, is because it's got a sunroof. It's one of the only vehicles that actually does that. But we'll find out on the next video. So, if you like this video, and you want to see what Alden looks like, please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I think there's a ding-dong bell right there. See you next time.